You can see here, I'm working on a 86 little CJ7 that's got a 302 Ford Mustang swap done to it. Now I'm in the process of swapping it over to a sniper system and getting rid of the old OBD1 technology that just did not work in this. It was really hacked together, and I'm de-hacking it and making everything right on it. I'm working on it, Jimmy. Anyway, you can see my motor's wide open there. When your motor's wide open, it's real vulnerable to any kind of dirt or anything. You don't want nothing down in there. But you're working in your shop and in your garage, and you don't have a dedicated clean room. As you can see, I got stuff scattered all over, but this is my clean room. And it's real easy to do. You can see, that's all the stuff for the house that is just piled in here, stuffed in here. You know how garages are. They're never for parking your car. They're for countless amounts of Christmas decorations and stuff, and yeah. But how to do it? You keep the door closed, all your doors closed. And if you have to open the door or you have to do anything, here's the secret. Right there. Great value trash bags. They're cheap and they're big enough size. I got one right here. You just throw it over the motor. Whenever you open the door, whenever you leave, whenever you gotta go do something, cover it all up. Piece of cake. Anytime I use my air compressor, yeah, the one I got here is just a makeshift one for now. I got another one buried back there, but as you can see, I don't have my shop wired, so I got no 220 in this shop yet. So it's buried back in there somewhere. Meantime, I got the little Harbor Freighter there. It works just fine for now. But if I have to blow any parts off or anything, again, garbage bag over it. It's done. It's good. Nothing's going to get down in it. So basically, you can do this. You can rebuild an engine in your garage on a weekend or whenever you can get to it. And your clean room, just take every precaution you can to keep stuff out of it. I know it's no substitute for a professional clean room, but if you're only going to build maybe one, maybe two motors in your garage your whole life, this is plenty good enough. As long as you keep it in your mind that you don't want anything down in there. And like I said, every time I open the door, there's a bunch of cotton flying around out there. It's just nasty out there. The heat is stifling, but every time I open it up, the motor, because I'm getting ready to put the intake on there and the valve covers, I got everything ready so I can RTV down this China walls, drop that intake down on there, put the valve covers on, seal it all back up, then I'm good to go. But in the meantime, I thought this is a good little quickie showing you guys how you can do it. You can keep your stuff clean in a clean room that looks like this. And of course, it's not the best. You definitely get better results if you're actually in a clean room, but who can afford that? So, here's a little quickie, how to get a clean room for a couple bucks. And if you're doing a big block, they even sell the lawn ones, they're even bigger. And it even says on there, multi-purpose bags. It works, right? Okay, I'm gonna get back to work on this, and so I can start getting the metal hot on my hot rod. So, quick little thing for you, and yeah, Jimmy, I'm working on it.